Okay boys, this is how you get custom hit sounds with Flesion. After you get Flesion, link in description, it will look like this. Go click on New and make a new config. Name it whatever you want. Go click on Config and make sure that the config you just made is selected. Go click on Scraped Games and find Rivals. This will open up after you click on Rivals. You can do other things than change hit sound here, but I am only going to cover the hit sound part. After clicking on the body hit, click on IDIS to replace. After that, close out of this, and there should be a number in Asset IDs. Now click on Browse and find the sound that you want to replace the body hit sound with. After clicking on the sound, name it, and it should pop up. For the head sound, it's the same. Now both the hit sound and the head sound should be done. After you're done with everything, make sure Roblox is fully closed and click on Clear Cache. Everything should be done. After that, open Roblox up and see if everything works. That's about it. See ya in new montage.